We're here at Darling Harbour. Let's go check out the W Hotel here in Sydney. This is the biggest W Hotel in the world. It's located right next to the National Maritime Museum, the Sea Life Aquarium, and very close to an IMAX cinema. The W opened in 2023 and is definitely a luxurious stay. We've just entered the building. They've taken our luggage straight away, which was really prompt, great first impressions. And now we're heading up to check in. What a stunning foyer. The lobby is gorgeous. They've got a little bar, seating area over here to the right. Multiple check-in desks. Beautiful centerpiece here. Welcome to the W Hotel here at Darling Harbour in Sydney. We've just arrived and we've seen a beautiful space. Let's go check it out. So this is the main living space. You're greeted with 2 double beds. You've got a beautiful view of the city, a seating area with 2 chairs and the flat screen TV that's put against the wall. The lighting is very interesting. You've got these circular shapes and they almost mirror. I think I could do my makeup in them if I really wanted to. And there's another one over in the corner as well. You've also got little lights by the bed as well that you could use for reading, as well as these lamps in the middle and your decorative lighting above. So there is a lot of lighting in the room. When we arrived, the curtains started automatically drawing back, which just brightened the space immediately. The beds are decorated with these native patterned sharks. They've got some beautiful rainbow lorikeets, some wattle, galahs and other native birds and plant species. I'm liking the space. It's big. It feels like I've got a lot of space to move. Even though it's that circular shape, I feel like that just gives it that little bit extra depth. So next to the bed you'll find a selection of buttons. You've got day and night mode, night light, bedside tables, master off and blinds, as well as a power point and a USB connection. There obviously has been some sort of spillage and it's been missed on that clean. I'll show you that angle now. There's also a notepad as well as a telephone for the room as well. So the minibar is a really interesting space. It's got this beautiful mirrored exterior to it and it seems to be fully stocked with some great snacks. You've got some alcoholic options, water, and on the inside here you've also got some snacks as well as some merchandise such as the hat or socks. You've got some little crunchy crisps, some different teas, and looks like you've got some milk and sugar in there as well. Down below you've got the mini fridge. Mini fridge is stocked. You've got some alcoholic options as well as some soft drinks in there. There's also an espresso coffee machine for you to use as well as ice bucket, and looks like a little bit of a cocktail maker. On the top shelf you've got a variety of alcoholic beverages. You've got some vodka and some gin variations there, some chips and some wine glasses or champagne glasses. As we continue through, you come into this very cute little space. Touch button lights. Now look at this. The color scheme in this room is absolutely unique and amazing. But do you know what I've just noticed upon arrival into this little space? A dirty face towel in the drawer. That's a shame. In the little closet space, you will find a lot of shelf and hanging space, which is great. There is an iron, a torch, a safe, a W Sydney dressing gown, lots of hangers, an ironing board. There are some slippers. You'll also find shoe polish and a shoe mitt, as well as some laundry bags if needed. There is a W umbrella for you to use on those rainy days. Let's continue through to the bathroom area. Really big sliding mirror door, which is great. Now it's quite a spacious bathroom, which is fantastic. Not loving that this is an open shower. I can picture this area getting very wet and water just tracking through everywhere. We'll have to see how that goes. They've got another robe in this area, hot and cold taps, as well as a handheld nozzle as well. They've got shampoo, conditioner and shower gel available here. Cute looking bathtub. Unsure though if it's practical, like you can't really stretch your legs out, but there you go. That is the bathtub on offer. Over here they've got vegetable soap. Interesting. And a loofah. Water, cups, face cloths, tissues. Here we've got body cream and cleansing cream available and another hand wash. They've supplied lots of towels underneath. In here we've got cotton rounds, we've got cotton buds, we've got a sanitary bag, a shower cap, and you've also got your dental kits in here as well as a shaving kit. And you've also got a hairdryer in there if needed as well. So although there are lots of lights, because everything is styled in this dark navy or black tones, it's a very dark hotel. The hallways are dark, the entranceway, the bathroom is dark, all very dark shades, which does show a lot of stains. You can see the water drips that are kind of stuck on the tile here. So the tone of the carpets hide any stains. So they've done quite a good color selection here, that if there were stains, because of that varied blue, navy, black tones, you're not going to see it. So yeah, the carpets look quite good. So the curtains are nice and clean. They reveal a beautiful view. Wow, so the ladies just let us come in and have a little look. Look how amazing this area is. 1.2 meters deep down this end. Look at that. Yeah, it's open rooftop. And they've got all these little cabana lounges. Oh, how beautiful. So for 4 people to be staying here at the W Hotel Sydney at Darling Harbour, it is $607 per night. This is a mid-week booking in October. It's a double room with a city view. This space particularly is nice and bright and white. Bathroom, very dark. Hotel in general, a very dark theme. Must say, you can tell it's on the higher scaled price range end, because there was a lot of attention to detail with customer service. If you're thinking about staying at the W Hotel here at Darling Harbour in Sydney, we hope that this video has been helpful. If it has, give it a like. Until next time, we'll catch you on the roundabout.